Welcome to AI Lesson in Under 5 Minutes. Have you ever wondered how top brands stay on top of social media trends? Today, I'll show you how AI can help you analyze trends quickly and get ahead of the competition, whether you're a marketer, business owner, or a content creator. Let's jump right to it. Let's say you're planning a campaign for the holiday season. Instead of manually browsing through hashtags, you can use ChatGPT to analyze the top performing hashtags in trends. In ChatGPT, put in the prompt, what are the top performing hashtags on Instagram and LinkedIn related to holiday shopping in 2024? See how fast that was? In just a second, we've got a list of top trending hashtags. Now you have keywords to focus on for your campaign and posts. Next, let's say you want to go deeper and understand what your audience is engaging with. We'll tweak our prompt slightly to generate audience behavior insights. Put in the new prompt. Analyze the type of content most engaged with on Instagram and LinkedIn using hashtag #ShopSmall in 2024. Include post formats, popular captions, and audience reactions. Look at this. ChatGPT tells us that carousel posts and video reels are performing well, especially those featuring personal stories from small businesses. Captions with a question at the end also seem to get more engagement. Now you know how to format your post and engage with your audience effectively. Let's take it one step further. What if you want content recommendations tailored to your brand? Watch how refining your prompt just a little can give you ready-to-use ideas. Put in the new prompt, generate 3 content ideas for a small business promoting eco-friendly products during the holiday season using the hashtag #ShopSmall trend. Here we go. ChatGPT suggests creating eco-friendly gift guide reels, creating behind-the-scenes stories with the theme of Meet the Makers, and user-generated content campaign, creating an eco gift challenge. Now you have ready-to-go content ideas that align perfectly with current trends. You see how easy that was? With AI-powered trend analysis, you can stay ahead of the curve and create content your audience loves. No more guessing, just actionable insights at your fingertips. Try it today. Use ChatGPT to analyze the latest trends for your brand. And if you found this useful, like, comment, and follow for more daily AI strategies to keep your business ahead.